They're even fresh roasted the chicken for this sandwich.
Hey guys, hot blonde. It's awesome. I love avocado and I love chicken.
Hot blonde sandwich.
For the who?
Hot blonde. Not you.
Wait a second.
That's the name of the sandwich.
Yo, yeah. It's not
Sandwich.
about me.
No.
No. The sandwich is really called hot blonde.
Yeah.
It's just I happen to be here.
Cut it in half. Little salt and pepper. Let's go to the oven.
25 minutes to 325?
Yeah.
Roasted chicken, let it cool. Now we're gonna take the meat off it.
Yes.
Now what?
Prepare the pepper plant sauce. Ketchup.
So we're preparing the pepper plant sauce.
Yes. Roasted garlic and roasted chili flakes. A little bit of salt, pepper. Got onion powder and pepperoncini juice.
The marinade, the pepperoncinis here.
Yes.
Interesting.
There you go.
Nothing wrong with that. What's that going on again?
On the hot blonde sandwich.
Thank you.
Garlic spread. It's the same of the Aleppo spread, but without Aleppo.
Without the Aleppo.
Brown mustard. This is a pepper plant sauce.
That we prepared?
Yeah. Swiss cheese, fresh tomatoes, avocado, cucumbers, roasted red onions.
Is this just a game now to see how much you can put on the sandwich?
No, spinach.
We still have the chicken to put on.
Oh, yeah.
And we're gonna put that in the,
Panini press. Oil on the panini.
and how long?
4 minutes.
Ready to roll?
Yes.
Is it done?
Sure.
Pull it.
Right. There we go.
It's gonna be good.
Thanks.
It's like a club sandwich gone wild. This is the kind of sandwich my mom would flip out for. And I still don't know why it's hot blonde. I just wish you would come out with it and say that you did name it after me. I understand.
Hot blonde, table 4, thank you.
It's awesome, it's so good. The creaminess of the avocado mixed with pepper plant sauce, which just gives it a little kick, all in between the crunchy bread. It's perfect.
Don't air that. She's better than me at it.